back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry about the echo. If you can hear echo, yeah, there's an echo. So I'm just gonna do a really quick video talking about why I'm moving back to Jamaica from America. I'm leaving America to go back home to Jamaica. I'm going to start off by talking a little bit about my background and talk about, what's kind of motivating me to go back, and yeah, jump right into it. So I moved to America when I was 12 years old. I moved in 2008, so that was 11 years ago. I'm 23 right now. I moved here with my mother and my auntie. Sorry if I sound drained. Anyways, I moved here with my mother and my auntie, and we moved to New York, upstate New York. Yeah, I didn't have a choice. I was 12, no choice. I had to come. But it has been one of the best opportunities in my life. I got to travel, my education was really good. Not saying education like anywhere else isn't good. I just had great opportunities with the school that I ended up going to here. Met people from a whole array of backgrounds, which I thought was really cool, which I still think is really cool, and I still have those friendships right now. So I'm very grateful. Yeah, so my background really isn't anything, I didn't have to run from anybody, or I didn't leave of free will, or I was excited to come here because, like, as a kid growing up, you watch those shows. I really hope the echo isn't that bad. As a kid growing up, you watch those shows and you see, like, snow and not wearing uniform and stuff like that, like trick-or-treating, building a snowman. Those things were literally, being on a plane, those things were the most exciting thing. Those things were the most exciting parts of why I left for me at that age. So fast forwarding now, I'm 23 years old. I'm in America. I still do go back to Jamaica every year, like twice a year. I'm in Jamaica in December going into January. And in the summer times, I'm back in Jamaica. So it's not like I haven't been to Jamaica in 11 years. I've been back every single year. And the majority of my family is still back in Jamaica. So that's that. So it won't be too difficult for me to get accustomed to the lifestyle. But my mom is trying to stress the fact that vacationing and living are two different things. So I'm still trying to get that worked out. But I'm a very simple person. Like, I'm expensive, but I'm very simple. All the hype, like shopping and things that I know I won't get easily, it's not really stressing me out. As long as I have food and somewhere to live and a source of income, I am fine. Like, I'm fine. And that's me here in America. Alright. Plus I like online shopping, even though that's gonna be a task. We'll have to work that out. Other than that, I'm supposed to go into the why. I'm gonna go into the why soon. I'm sorry if this is all over the place, but anyways, I want to leave. I want to go back because I kind of need a change. I need something different. I graduated university. I got my bachelor's degree in political science, and of course, I still want to get my master's and elevate my education and things of the sort. But right now, I feel like mentally, I really do need something different. I'm not really ready to go straight back into school yet. It's not something I'm throwing out. I'm gonna do that, but right now, it's not what I want to do. Yeah. And if I did go back into school, directly, I'm not sure, if you know, what I choose will be something that I want to, one, spend money on, and two, do for the rest of my life. But anyways, the other thing as well, other than the change, is that America is kind of a rough place to be right now. America is, I wouldn't recommend anyone to live in America, and that's my personal opinion. Like, America is a great country to visit. You come here, there's a lot of stuff to do, there's a lots of places to see, visit, have fun, all these extra things. But the political atmosphere, especially towards the political and socio-economic atmosphere towards black people, is very sad. Yeah, I can't really go on CNN, go on the internet, look it up. It's a sad place. Like, people are dying left and right from the police. Black people are dying left and right from the police. The statistics for other things is just not. It just make it a place that you want to live in. If you're born here, most of the people that I know that are born here don't even want to stay here. That should say something. That should say a lot. Because for the most part, a lot of people who want to leave their countries, like their home countries, want to leave because they want to see something different, you know, not because they don't like their country. A lot of people that I know don't like their own freaking country. And I'm not talking about like, oh, you know, yeah, Jamaica have political issues as well. I'm not saying like, you know, PNP and JLP are any better than the Democratic and Republican Party, but America really is really rough, and it's a lot more rough than people think it is, especially if you haven't lived in America. Then you won't really understand where I'm coming from, I don't think. Yeah, because a lot of people then can say, oh, you know, Jamaica have them same issues and everywhere in the country, everywhere in the world have their issues. But unless you've lived here, then you won't really get what I'm talking about. So that's one aspect. I want a difference. The atmosphere in the country is just not welcoming for me. It's not what I want. And I want to go back to Jamaica, and I want to invest in my country. I want to partake in the economy. I am working out my income situation, so that's something that is currently under wraps, and you know, it's still being sorted out. But yeah, that's going on. I do want to help Jamaica better. Why would I not want to? I'm not looking to move back to Jamaica when I am like 65, 75 years old, when I'm retired and doing nothing in my house, you know? I don't want to do that. And it seems like a lot of people are going that route where they leave Jamaica, they go build up another country, build up another city or whatever, and then come back when they're retired and want to do nothing. That's not what I want to do. I do love Jamaica. I love Jamaica a lot. I love the food, I love the culture, I love the music, I love the history, I love the land. My family's back home. I miss my grandparents. I don't spend much time with them when I'm down there, because you know how old people get sometimes. But I love being there, you know? I'm of course gonna miss my mom. My mom is gonna be up here. She has things that she's putting in place as well. My auntie is up here, and I have like some other family members and some other cousins that are here as well. I'll miss them. I don't really hang out with them that much, but I will miss them. I'll see them. I will miss my mom the most, but my mom visits Jamaica as frequently as I do, like twice a year and more than me. And today I'll see. And I'm not saying, oh, bye-bye America, cut up all my information, cut up everything, you know, burn off everything. Like, no, I'm not saying that. I'll visit, of course, probably for Florida. I'll come up here and visit, but for the most part, I want to make Jamaica my home base again. I'm still figuring out stuff like where I'm gonna live, you know, everything is being worked out right now. So I'm not gonna come there with my suitcase and have nowhere to go, you know. I'm not that type of person. I'm not that like wild. Like I can't just buy a ticket and say, you know what, I'm leaving next week and I have no idea where money coming from, no idea where I'm staying. I can't do any of that. I still have family there, so obviously I'm not gonna go back home and have nowhere to stay. Um, yeah, I'll survive, but I'm trying to find I'm still working out my own place. I'm still working out like I said earlier, my source of income. But I am very excited. I just want to go home because I want to make a difference in my own country. This place, I've lived here. It is my home as well. But people are so quick to say go back to your country, and you know what? I am. So that's really why I want to go back. Hopefully I can, get involved in some business opportunities, and I feel like there's so many opportunities in Jamaica. That's another thing that I want to touch on, that people say, oh, but Jamaica don't have an opportunity, America have opportunity. Yes, America has a lot of opportunities. Like, I will be the first one to tell you that I have profited from those opportunities. I profited from a lot of opportunity. Like, when I tell you a lot of opportunities, I mean a lot of opportunities here. But don't sell Jamaica short by saying, Jamaica don't have any opportunities. Definitely does. And you just have to tap into it. You have to know what you want to get into. You have to, yes, know the right people. And that is the exact same thing for America. Yeah, there's opportunities here, but you have to know the right people. And you have to want to get involved in those opportunities. And that's what I want to do, but I want to do it in Jamaica. And that's what I'm going to do. And nobody's going to stop me. So in the next couple months, I will be back in Jamaica. And I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna try to get consistent with my vlogging. Again, I'm so sorry about the echo. And another thing, I want you guys to subscribe. I want you to leave a comment. Tell me, no, Bicana, you need to stay foreign. You need to enjoy the foreign life. You need to do this and that. So no, Bicana, you need to go to school in America. You need to da-da-da-da. And then I need people to tell me, yes, come back home, bring this for me, bring that. I need, just leave a comment. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you think this is all crazy what I'm doing, or let me know, because a lot of people my age don't want to go back home. And it's not just for Jamaica. I'm sorry, this video is all over the place, but a lot of people from different countries, because like I said, I've met so many people being here from different places. A lot of them my age from different countries don't want to go back to their country, and it just kind of makes me sad, because I'm like, all right, you have the opportunity to come here. A lot of people don't have the opportunity to just leave their countries for, higher education. Like, universities in America are literally amazing. So you have the opportunity to come here, you learn this lesson, and then you stay here. You go to LA, or you go to Atlanta, or you go to New York City, etc., and you build up these places, but you don't go home and build up your area, help kids who can't afford to come here like you can, and that makes me sad. So my heart rate is going up. I just wanna, damn, I'm rambling now. Where was I? I don't know which part we did that. What did I talk about? I just want to go home. That's it. I miss the food. I miss the beaches. I want to build up my country. And yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. I hope I didn't forget anything. Oh yeah, I remember what I was telling you guys now. So when I do come back, I hope to vlog some more. I hope to create great content for you guys. I know I've been slacking. If you do go back and watch my previous videos, I'll link them below. I do have a lot of Jamaica vlogs, some of them boring, some of them fun. Yeah, I also have some New York City vlogs. If you guys want to see that, I think I have 3 New York City vlogs that I like on my YouTube. I'll leave those below as well. What else? I will be creating. I have like a whole book, and I'm slowly collecting ideas for things that I want to film while I'm relocating back to Jamaica. So like me packing, and trust me, I have a lot to pack, as well as videos of me sending stuff that just won't fit in the suitcase, finding my way around, making new friends, creating my own home eventually. What else? I don't really know. I just know I have a lot of stories, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And yeah, I'm just genuinely happy, and I can't wait. Yeah. So just bear with me on this journey. I'm only 23 years old, and I'm young. I have the rest of my life ahead of me. If I choose to move back to America, I can do that. If I choose to go somewhere else, I can do that. But I want to go home, and I want to, start my life there. I want to start fresh there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please, please, please subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me hear your opinion. Let me know what you think, because listen, I already have family members telling me this, that, and the third. I have friends who are excited for me. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear it. Let me know where you're from or where you're living, any of that good stuff. And yeah, so stay tuned for more videos, especially in the next couple months. Stay tuned for a lot of that stuff. We talked about this already.